Hey there. Today let's talk about something that might not be on your radar yet but should definitely be industrial hygiene. Stick around because this could be a game changer for your manufacturing operations. First off, what is industrial hygiene? It's all about anticipating, recognizing, evaluating, and controlling health hazards in the workplace. Think of it as your frontline defense against things like chemical exposures, noise pollution, and even ergonomic injuries. Now, why should you, as a manufacturer, care? Well, imagine a workplace where employees are healthier, more productive, and less likely to take sick days. That's what effective industrial hygiene can do for you. It's not just about compliance, it's about creating a thriving work environment. Let's break it down. First, anticipation. This is about foreseeing potential hazards before they become a problem. Next, recognition. Here you identify those hazards in the workplace. Evaluation involves measuring the hazard levels, and finally, control is about implementing measures to reduce or eliminate those hazards. One of the key components is personal protective equipment, or PPE. We're talking about gloves, masks, and even specialized suits depending on the exposure level. But PPE is just one part of the puzzle. Regular health checkups and monitoring are crucial too. By prioritizing industrial hygiene, you're not only protecting your employees but also boosting your bottom line. Healthy workers are happy workers, and happy workers are more productive. Plus, you'll be reducing the risk of costly workplace injuries and illnesses. So, don't wait. Take action today and make industrial hygiene a cornerstone of your manufacturing process. Trust me, it's a game changer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Catch you next time.